Now, this is part of the series about introducing ourselves. In Bisaya, when we want to say I like, we say ganahan ko, ganahan ko. And the opposite of that, I don't like, dili ko ganahan, dili ko ganahan. Again, I like, ganahan ko. I don't like, dili ko ganahan. Let's have some examples. Ganahan ko magbaktas. It means I like walking. Ganahan ko mudagan. It means I like running. Ganahan ko magluto means I like cooking. Ganahan pud ko, I also like the pud. Ganahan pud ko mukaon. I like eating. Ganahan kog mga bulak, it means I like flowers. Ganahan ko magtanaw og hadlok na mga salida, it means I like scary movies. How about examples with the phrase dili ko ganahan or I don't like? Dili ko ganahan og mga crowded places. I don't like crowded places. Dili pud ko ganahan og mga libakero or libakera. It means I don't like people who love to gossip. Dili ko ganahan og walay ginabuhat. I don't like doing nothing. How about you? Can you cite examples using the phrase ganahan ko, I like, and dili ko ganahan or I don't like? Feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!